This video will teach you how to use the library catalog to export references to EndNote and how to use EndNote Desktop and EndNote Online to export those references. UNC Charlotte subscribes to the premier version of EndNote called EndNote Desktop or EndNote 20 Desktop. This is an example of what an EndNote 20 desktop library looks like. References can be sorted into group sets and groups for organizational purposes. Go to the EndNote Research Guide at guides.library.uncc.edu/EndNote for instructions on how to download EndNote and for a detailed video on how to use EndNote Desktop. EndNote Online is the web version of EndNote. It is good to use if you are away from your EndNote desktop version, such as using a different computer. Go to myendnoteweb.com to set up your EndNote Online account. Be sure and use your UNC Charlotte credentials to set up the EndNote Online account to ensure you have proper access. In order to share your EndNote library with others or use a shared library, you will need to have an EndNote Online account. In order to share your EndNote library with others, you must use the sync function. And in order to sync properly, you must have the EndNote Online account set up. Then click on the Sync Status on the left and the Sync Now button as shown here on the right. Once you click on Sync Now, click on the drop-down arrow next to the bell icon and all activity and transactions will be shown. Go to the library homepage at library.uncc.edu and place your keywords in the search box. Then, when you get your results, click on the small box to the left of the items you wish to send to your EndNote library. Next, click on the pushpin icon to add your items to the favorites. Then click on the pushpin icon at the top of the page as shown here. Next, go to My Favorites or the pushpin icon and click on the items that you want to send to EndNote. Then click on the ellipsis. You will then see a range of options. The first selection on the left-hand side is EndNote Desktop. That will allow you to export to EndNote's desktop version. Here are the references that were downloaded to EndNote Desktop. This library has groups and group sets, so you will want to organize your references for better categorization. From the toolbar at the top of the page, click on Groups, then you may select either Groups or Group Set. Notice on this page I have several group sets which says Library Outreach, Beth Article, LBST 2301, and underneath those group sets are groups. So this allows you to categorize your references much more efficiently. If you want to use EndNote Online instead of EndNote Desktop, when selecting references from the library search system, click on the items as shown earlier and click on the pushpin icon. When you then click on the ellipsis, instead of choosing Send to EndNote Desktop, choose EndNote Web. If you choose to export to your EndNote Online account, open EndNote Online and your downloaded file should automatically go into EndNote Online. You can see the latest EndNote Online references by choosing the Sort By Added to Library Newest to Oldest selection, which is indicated here on the right. When you open your EndNote desktop account and sync your library, your new references added from EndNote Online will appear in your desktop library. One issue, however, with the integrated library system is that the reference type often exports incorrectly. This is especially true with books and electronic books. You will have to change those reference types manually in the reference itself. Please feel free to contact me with any questions you may have. Thank you.